What's going on, guys? Jesus from Transhine. Thanks for tuning in. We are super excited to show you guys our new line of coatings, which are graphene coatings. They're not like ceramic coatings. They are different properties, so they are made a little bit different. These are supposed to give you an awesome shine, slickness, and gloss to the paint. Great for water spots, super hydrophobic. So we're gonna test it out on this new Maserati, see how it goes. So the first step is to apply some panel wipe on the surfaces that are going to be coated. This removes any excess oils, any excess wax or polish, and gets the surface prepped for the graphene coating. So essentially what we're doing is we're going to test the hydrophobic capabilities of each coating. One side the ceramic coating, the other side the new graphene coating. We're going to do one half first and do the other half with the regular ceramic coating. So when I rub my hand over this untreated portion, it's very grabby. There's nothing on here, no wax, no coating, super grabby. I just finished applying the graphene coating on the front half of this quarter, and it's just super smooth, butter soft. On the driver's side, we're now going to apply our XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the passenger side and see how that goes. Now we're gonna let it cure at least 24 hours. So again, recap. Driver's side, we did the graphene coating. On the passenger side, we did our 4-year Fusion ceramic coating. And we're about to do the water test. Now that it's cured for a couple of days, we'll see how it performs. All right, so here it goes. See, the water just runs off, and then whatever's left behind has really nice round beads. So that's what you can expect from a graphene coating. I mean, this stuff just comes right off. All right, guys, and then here we go with the 4-year XPEL Fusion ceramic coating side with the water test. And again, this stuff just comes right off. It performs similarly to the ceramic coating, if not just a little bit better. Again, you can see there's still a few drops there left behind, but they have really, really nice round beads. So that's what you want to see from a ceramic coating. So there you have it, guys. Pictures and videos do not do this coating justice. If you really want to protect your investment from water spotting, keep that nice, shiny gloss finish to the vehicle, make your surface really hydrophobic, come check out our coatings.